IJM, the original timber frame company.
Well, as a developer, stroke builder, the reason I chose timber frame was because of the experiences that I had on site. When we started to use the timber frame, we found these benefits, such as the quality control on site. It was much easier to manage and the build time was quicker, so we were able to bring our customers their houses at their completion dates. The quality of the product meant that the site was much easier to manage. The product itself was coming out of a factory environment, which meant that it had already been through a quality process in the factory, and we were benefiting from that. As long as you make sure that the house is erected properly, which is very simple to do, the trades that are coming after the erection of the kit are working in a dry environment. The benefit obviously to the end user of the house is that there's much less cracks in a timber frame house than what there would be in a traditional house. And that's a big advantage on your speed of build. You can turn your house around much quicker. We're really looking at turning our houses around in about an 8-week period as opposed to a 16-week period. The opportunity came up for myself and my wife to build a new home. I had seen all the benefits on site and I wanted to make sure that those benefits were contained within my own home. IJM were able to provide me with a flexibility and the specification of the house. The design and construction of our own home was to be a rectory type house. This was very easy to achieve by using the IJM timber frame kit. You can't tell that the house is timber frame. When you look at the window reveals, you think, wow, this is an old stone built house. So that was one of the main reasons why we went to IJM. IJM were able to provide us with the 9-inch timber frame kit that I don't think any other timber frame supplier can supply us with. IJM introduced us to what they call a compartment floor, which is basically an insulated floor system which you place on top of your existing first floor deck. And this means that we're totally silent downstairs to any noise that happens to be upstairs with children playing in the house all the time. It was IJM's idea to incorporate that feature into the house. We've built just over 300 houses in our construction business. The last 100 or so have been IJM timber frame homes. The amount of hassle that we had in doing a traditional house in comparison to a timber frame house just means that we're sticking with IJM timber frame homes.
At IJM, we strive to provide you with a quality product, a superb service, and a prompt delivery at a reasonable price that represents excellent value for your money. So, if a guaranteed build time, an environmentally friendly structure, unrivaled levels of excellence, and lower fuel bills matter to you, look no further than an IJM timber frame home. For more information, visit our website www.ijm.ie. IJM, the original timber frame company.